Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. From this video, we are going to learn how we can convert a React application into a React website. For converting any React application into React website, we should have a knowledge of React Router DOM library. So from this video we are starting to understand what is browser router and how to install React Router DOM. In next few videos we will understand what is routes and root, what is the difference between routes and root, and then we will understand what is link, what is nav link, what is dynamic routing. So many concepts are remaining to understand the React Router. So one by one we will understand all these concepts. In this video we just understand how to install React Router DOM and how we can configure a application for working on React Router DOM. So first of all we have to install. So here go to the directory where you want to install and type here npm I means install, and we can say React Router then DOM. So we should install it like this. So after installation, if you will see in a package.json, you will have a React Router DOM 6.3 or later version, whatever you will use on that time. Now here in this application, if you see the output, so we have this output, nothing is special, just one line of code, but right now it's not configured for working as a React Router application. So just to go to index.js file, and here you see index.js, we have a app component as a root component. This app component should be come under the browser router, so we have to call it here browser router component. Under this component we have to paste this app component, save this. This browser router is not found, not defined, so for that we have to import it. So we have to import it browser router like this from React Router DOM like this, save this, and it running now. So now by using this React Router DOM browser router, we just configure this application to work for React Router DOM. So now we can start our application to work on this. If you will see the output, nothing is changed in this application, but now this application is ready to work on a React Router library. So in next video we will see the difference between routes and route. So we will see in next video, and that's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.